probability practice exercises 82 and 83. A family has 5 children. And they said the probability of having a girl is 1/2. So we're going to assume the probability of having a boy is 1/2. It says was a probability of having at most 4 girls. So at most 4 girls means we're looking at, as far as the girls go, 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Now that, if we were doing this directly, that is a lot of binomial probabilities to set up, and I'm sure you're looking at that and saying, I'm not sure I want to do the direct method for this. So let's look at what we consider the not method. So that would be 1 minus the probability of 5 girls. Okay? All right, so the 5 children means 5 trials. Okay, and we're going to refer to the girls in this case as successes and the boys as failures. Okay, so that's my husband laughing in the background. So when we're talking about 5 girls, that means we're going to have 5 girls and 0 boys. Okay, so this won't be too bad to work out. So 1 minus 5, that's the number of trials. C, 5 successes. Probability of the girls, having a girl is 1/2, and that's to the 5th power. And the probability of having a boy is 1/2, and that's going to be raised to the 0 power. So when we put this in our calculator, we get 31 over 32. I believe on that one they asked us to write as a fraction. Okay, 88. No, I think we're looking for 83. I guess I should learn to write a little bit more neatly. Okay, in a certain field, the probability that a planted seed will germinate is 8,500. So in this case, we're going to call that a success. And so that will make the probability of a failure in this case, that it won't germinate, 1/1500ths of a 1/1500ths. Okay, it says find the probability that from a random sample of 20 seeds, that sounds like the number of trials right there, exactly 13 seeds germinate. So that means we will have 13 successes, and that means we're going to have 7 failures. Okay? And so they want us to round to 4 decimal places. All right, so this one won't be too bad. We've got 20 C13, and our probability of success is 85 to the 13th power. 8,500, sorry, and probability of failure is 1/1500ths and to the 7th power. All right, they asked us to round to 4 decimal places, and we get 160 thousandths.